Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cougar House Garage, and today we're starting on the 95 4Runner SAS build 5VZ swap SEMA show build. This 4Runner is going to be very extensive. It's going to be quite the build, guys. Step one, we're yarding the 3.0 out of it, throwing it back into the junkyard where it belongs, in the trash and scrap. And then we're going to put its 3.4 Tacoma 5-speed transmission and its transfer case in it and have the powertrain in the chassis so it's ready for us to do the 12-inch SAS lift, so that way when after it's lifted we're not trying to take the engine in and out after it's lifted so high. And then it's getting frame off powder coat, diamond axles, custom paint job, the works for SEMA show 23. So in today's episode we're just starting by pulling the 3.0 out. So we're going to document step one, guys, and get this Toyota stripped and ready for its 5VZ. So let's get started, guys. Cue the music. Day two, working on the Toyota 4Runner, guys, getting the 3.0 and its automatic transmission, and its automatic trans and transfer case is actually one unit on these 3.0 automatics. Super weird. But alright, guys, we didn't work all day yesterday on this, we just worked half a day. So today we're going to get the starter disconnected, AC, power steering, just a few components, the fuel pressure line, and then this 3.0 and transmission is ready to come out. So let's get started, guys. Let's get this thing out of here. Alright guys, we are set up to pull out the 5VZ with its transmission. I got the power steering pulled over to the side of the fender so it can stay there as I move it around the yard so it doesn't make a mess. And then AC pump, alternator, radiator, everything's pulled. I just need to pull the harness through the firewall, set it on top of the engine, open up the cherry picker, and yard this motor out. So let's do it, guys. All finished up working on the 95 4Runner SAS build, guys. We got the 3.0 yarded out with its transmission and transfer case. Since it has the little 6-inch lift kit on it, we were able to pull it all out as a unit. When they don't, there's no way to do that. You have to separate them to get them out. But we got it pulled, the engine compartment stripped. Next, we'll get it pressure washed and purple powered and cleaned up and ready for the 5VZ to be installed. But we got it prepped and ready for the 5VZ now. So now that we got this done, it's going to go over in the corner until we get it cleaned up and all of its parts come from Off-Road Solutions for its 5VZ swap. And then we got its 5VZ in the shop. We got to clean it, and we're going to paint the engine block just like the other one. We're going to do that, the same treatment, and powder coat a bunch of parts on it and assemble that before we get it dropped in here. So until then, guys, we'll catch you guys in that episode. Thanks for watching today. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, you like this kind of videos. And if you want a Cougar House Fab SAS 4-link kit or anything for your full-size trucks, direct message me on Instagram, guys. I'm very active there on my daily story. Follow along there. And then if you want any of those lift kits, traction bars, or anything like that, just direct message me there. And we'll see you guys in the next episode.